Allstar Energy Solutions was proud to be engaged by the Council's appointed building contractor to undertake the design, supply and installation of a solar power system that energises the new library with a highly reliable source of renewable energy. A complex project which involved inherent design challenges with the site's highly confined and segregated roof spaces, with a large part of roof areas shaded at different times of the year. Allstar redesigned the system with the award-winning solar panel optimiser technology, which effectively enables the system to maximise its generation capacity in its restrictive operating environment. Why not contact Allstar Energy Solutions today on 1300 794 005 or visit allstarenergy.com.au.